My favorite animal is panther. Description of panther. The bright throat lungs and the are carnivorous. They have 4 on the butt, have 4 legs. The bright throat lungs they are carnivorous. Panther. Locatio is Asia, Africa, and America. The diet is their traffic will go. Panther informative. A black panther is a black version of an of large fish of meat. Panther is used in some parts of North America to refer to Puma and in South America to refer to Jaguar and everywhere to refer to leopards. Is 350. Finish.